Hey everyone, I'm Ron from Coleno, the leading suite app for accounts receivable. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable and use the void transactions using reversing journals preference in NetSuite. So let's get started. First, I'll go to Setup, Accounting Preferences. On the General subtab, which I am on right now, you need to make sure that this is checked, void transactions using reversing journals, and then you save. Please like this video if you find it helpful. Then to use the preference, you can use the void button on applicable transactions such as bill payments, customer refunds, etc. So if I go to customer refunds, not all transactions will allow this. Page customer refunds. So I created one in advance of this recording, so I click on edit. And now you can see here I have this void button. The journal entry line autofills to show the reverse of the original transaction, and the original transaction status changes to voided. Please note that enabling this preference will disable the void button on journal entry forms and prevent voiding transactions like sales orders and invoices using reversing journals. Please don't forget to join the newsletter I'm leaving in the comments of this video, and see you in the next one.